Hi everyone, this is another video of Regenta Javaji, and this time we are gonna explore the suite of Regenta Javaji. So let's go inside. This is the key holder room. We are going inside. So the suite is very good. The first one is a powder room. You can see it's quite spacious, and we have another attached washroom inside the bedroom. So let's go inside. After the powder room, we have the hall here. You can see it is a big hall, living room, whatever you can think of it. Two big sofa, dining section is there. There's a study section as well in the right. We will show it in some times. Some artifacts are there, which looks very good in aesthetic, gives good vibes. My favorite, the owl one. And as usual, you will see orchids, flower of orchids in Regenta Javaji to show that it belongs to Royal Orchid. Now we have the mini fridge. We can see some stuffs are there in mini fridge. You can refill it, refresh it, and you can use as per your need. And then we'll move ahead to our bedroom section. You can see there is one sitting chair, armchair, very comfortable. No plastic, say no plastic. A very good motto of Regenta Javaji. Then we have this a unique setup to hang our clothes, to keep some used clothes or to keep some accessories on the table. There are some extra pillows and a safe locker as well. If you can see the hangers, you can use it as per your need. There are some extra slippers as well. Laundry bags are there. If you want to use the laundry, here is the locker. And this is the big attached washroom. We have a lot of amenities given here. This is my beautiful wife. This is the hair dryer, and you can see everything is very good lighting. We have the candle stands here. The scented sticks are there. Again, some flower. A very good wash machine. A beautiful mirror which you can move forward and backward. The toilet seat, and this is the main star of this washroom, a very big good jacuzzi bathtub, whatever you prefer to say, whatever you prefer to do, but you will get the good enjoyment here. And a very good washroom. This washroom is also having steam bath. So let's go to the study section. Here, if you can see, is the study section. Good table, good chair. A Bhagavad Gita is also present there. You will have a good and very calm time while doing the work from here. Thanks for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.